Okay, friends, welcome to IACA. Friends, today we are going to discuss RRB Officer Scale 1 Prelims Grand Test number 50 Reasoning Explanation. So, friends, take your first question. Take your first question. There are eight members. There are eight members. Sige, eight members. A to H in the family of four generations. In the family of four generations. Yes, friends, here. Total here we are having four generations. Leave it. Next, D is mother of G. D is mother of G. Yes, friends, here. The given one is what? D is mother of G. D is mother of G. Next, G is aunt of A. G is aunt of A. Yes, leave it. Next one. Next one is what? H is sister-in-law of F. H is sister-in-law of F. So here sister-in-law means possibility is what? Spouse, sisters, otherwise brother's wife. Now, H is sister-in-law of F and H is sister-in-law of F. Leave it. Next one. The gender of A and E is same. A and E is same. Leave it. C is mother-in-law of F and C is mother-in-law of F. My friend is part C is mother-in-law of F. C is mother-in-law of F. Mother-in-law means part here husband mother or wife mother. Leave it. Next one. B is father of H. Friends, okay. The given is part B is father of H. D and H are siblings. Take here. D and H. These two are siblings. These two are siblings. Now D and H both are siblings. Next one is part here. H is sister-in-law of F means H is female. Now B is father of H. B is father of H. Now friends, okay, our requirement is what? See, H is sister-in-law of F and H is sister-in-law of F. Suppose I will take a D and F both are couples. D and F both are couples. D minus means F is plus. Now H is sister-in-law of F. H is sister-in-law of F. That means here spouse sister. Next one. C is mother-in-law of F. C is mother-in-law of F means now B and C both are couples. B and C both are couples. Next one. Next one is what? Gender of E and G is not same. Gender of E and G is not same. Then G is female. Then E is male. E is male. If E is male means then gender of A and E is same. That means A also male. A also male and yes. But G is here aunt of A. G is aunt of A. That means here G having compulsory sibling here E. In this case only we will get G is aunt of A. Yes, this is the given one. Take care. Question number 1. How E is related to F? How E is related to F? Friends, how E is related to F means here answer is what? Son. Answer is what? Here son. How E is related to F? G is daughter of D. E and G both are sibling. How E is related to F means answer is what? Son. Question number 1. Option D. Question number 2. Who is the grandfather of A? Friends, grandfather of A father, next father, yes. So grandfather of A is what? F. Question number 2, option B. Question number 3, how H is related to E? How H is related to E and how H is related to A? So friends, here, E mother is what? D sister is what? H. So mother sister is what? Aunt. Question number 3, option A, aunt. Question number 4, which of the following letter will be sixth letter from the right hand? Sixth from the right hand. Sixth from the right hand. Leave it. If the letters of the word regulation are arranged in the reverse alphabetical order from left hand to right hand. From left to right, here we are going to arranging the reverse. We are going to arranging the reverse. That means highest one is what? First U, T like that. So here left to right means what? Reverse. Right to left means what? Here alphabetical order. Right to left means alphabetical order. Why means our requirement is what? Sixth from right hand. Then right to left take alphabetical order. First one is what? A. Next, see A. After A, next one is what? Here E. Next one is what? Here E. After E, next one G. Next one is what? Here G. After G, next one is what? Here I. Next one is what? I. Next one is what? L. Next one is what? After L, next one is what? Here O. Sorry, not one. After L, next one is what? Here N also there. Next one is what? Here N. Next one is what? Here N. Then friends, here after arranging here this reverse order, I am not arranging entire word. Why means our requirement is what? Sixth from right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sixth from right hand is what? N. Question number 4. Answer is option C. Question number 5 to 9. Question number 5 to 9. Friends, check here. 8 aliens MNO, PQ, R and S and T are sitting around the square table. Equal number of persons are facing towards and away from the center. Next friend check. This one is part 2 persons and this one is part here 2 persons. Yes, 2 persons sit on the each side. Not more than 2 adjacent persons facing the same direction. That means maximum two persons facing the same direction. Next, each of them reaches Earth in different months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, and August. Leave. Now, friends, check it. Friends, the next one is what? Equal number of persons are facing towards and away from the center. So, friends, again, equal number of persons are facing towards and away from the center. Next, two persons are sitting on each side. Yes, friends, again. So friends, this one is what? Total here we are having 8 members. Next, on each side here we are having 2 members. Here we are having 2 members. Yes. But we don't know, some are inside, some are outside. But equal number of persons are facing in and outside the center. Leave it. Take first point. Q and V facing same direction. We don't know. Leave it. T and R are not adjacent to each other. Leave it. M sits second right of R. M is second right of R. Who reaches reaches in January. That means R reaches in January. Leave it. Next, this one 2 1. This one is part 2. Two persons sit between M and Q. Two persons sit between M and Q. N and O sit at the immediate right of each other and on the same side. N and O both are in the same side. Next, P who reaches in August sits opposite to S who reaches in February. S reaches in February. R faces towards the center. Now, friends, take this point. R facing toward the center. Then R here chance, here also chance. Now take one more possibility. Friends, check here. Two members, here 2 members, here also 2 members. Now R is facing center. That means R here also chance. So friends, see, R is facing toward the center end. So for R we are having two possibilities. Here chance, here also chance. Next one. Friends, if you know about R means, starting the again clue point is what? M sits second right of R. M is second right of R. R inside. First right, second right is what? M. M is second right of R. R inside. First right, second right is what? M. So friends, again, M is second right of R. M is second right of R. Next, who reaches means what? R reaches in January. Friends, here, R reaches in January. So friends, take it here. R reaches in January. Here also R is in January. Leave it. Next one. So again, next point is what? Friends, again, R faces toward the center and does not sit adjacent to Q. Adjacent to Q. Yes. Now, friends, again, R is facing center means what? For R, two possibility. Here R, here also R. One possibility here, one possibility here. M is second right of R. Here also M is second right of R. Two persons sit between M and Q. Between M and Q, two members. Now, M 1 2 here Q chance. M 1 2 Q also chance. But M 1 2 here Q no chance. Why means they mention is what? See here, R facing toward the center does not sit adjacent to Q. Here Q means what? These two are adjacent, no chance. Now M 1 2 different spot here Q. Now R different spot between M and Q two members. M 1 2 Q no chance. Why means Q and R are not adjacent. M 1 2 different spot here Q. Next, they give one more clue point is what? N and O are opposite to, sorry, N and O sides immediate right of each other and on the same side. N and O both are immediate right of each other, but both are on the same side. Both are on the same side. Then these two are the possibilities for, this is the possibility for N and O, both are immediate right of each other, both are in the same side. So this one is what? N means this one is what? O, this one is N means this one is what? Here, O. Now N and O both are immediate right of each other. This one is outside, this one is what? Inside. Both are immediate right of each other. Now N and O both are in the same side. This is the only possibility. This one is N means this one is what? O. Otherwise this one is N means this one is what? Here, O. These two are immediate right of each other. Then this one is outside, this one is what? Inside. Both are immediate right of each other. Both are immediate right of each other. Yes, leave it. Next one. After next point is what? See here. P who reaches in August sits opposite to S. P is opposite to Sn. Now the given one is what? P is opposite to S. Next, P is opposite to S. P is opposite to S. Next, leave it. Next, both S and Q are not sitting to each other. Yes, again. Both S and Q are not sitting adjacent to each other. That means S and Q are not adjacent. Now P and S both are opposite. Possibility is what? This one. But Q and S are not adjacent. Then this one is what? P. This one is what? Here, yes. Now in this case, P and see S and P both are opposite, but S is not neighbor of Q. That means for S here, no chance. This one is what? Yes. Now this one is what? Here, P. This one is what? Here, P. Next. Now remaining is what? M, N, next O, next P, next Q. Remaining is what? R, S. Next one is what? T. Next one is what? T. This one is what? T. This one also here, T. Next, leave it. Next one. See here, they give next point is what? S does not face. S does not face away from the center. That means here S is facing towards the center. S does not face away from the center means here S is facing towards the center. S is facing toward the center. Neither Q nor T reaches in the month containing 31 days. Neither Q nor T reaches in the month containing 31 days leave. N reaches in May. N reaches in May. Next, starting point is what? T and R are not adjacent. But in this case, T and R both are adjacent. Then for this possibility, no chance. This possibility, no chance. Now, friends, check here. Our requirement is what? Not more than two persons are facing the same direction. Those one who are neighbor. See here. Not more than two adjacent persons are facing the same direction. Yes. These two are inside. Then this one is compulsory outside. This one is compulsory outside. Q and P facing the same direction. Q and P both are same. This one is inside me. These two also, if I take both are inside me, then 3 members. But our requirement is for maximum 2 members. Then this one is outside. This one also outside. These two are outside me. This one is compulsory inside. Why means? Here, if I take this one is outside means 3 members are adjacent, facing same direction. No chance. Now, our requirement is what? Equal number of persons are facing in and out. 1, 2, 3, 4 are in. Remaining are out. Remaining all are out. Yes. Now take here given month. Take here given month. P who reaches in August month. Now P is August month. P is August. Next, S is in February month. S is in February month. Next, N is, friends, see, N reaches in May. N is in May and N is in May. But here we don't know about N exact position. We don't know about N exact position. Next one is what? Q, neither Q nor T reaches in the month contains 31 days. That means Q1 T 31 days no chance. Q1 T 31 days no chance. So Q1 T 31 days no chance means then January no chance. February already completed. Next. So March no chance. April possibility. May no chance. Next June also possibility. Next one is for July no chance. August also no chance. That means here. That means for Q1 T, for Q and T, possibilities are for Q1 T. Here, what are the possibilities means? See here. Q1 T does not reach in the month kind of 31 days means for Q1 T. Remaining months is what? April or June. April or June. Yes. Next for Q1 T possibilities are April or June. Here, April or June. Next for M and O possibilities what? See here. For M and O, remain 2 months. N is May. Remain 2 months is what? From check here. April, June also completed. Now remaining is what? Here. August month completed. August month completed. Next. January completed. Next. February completed. Next one is what? March month is pending. Next. April completed. May month also completed. June completed. Next. July also pending. That means. So for M and O possibilities what? March and July. For M and O possibilities what? March and here. July. March and July. Yes. Now friends, for months and for months here they didn't given entire information. They didn't given entire information. So friends check here. For M and O possibilities are here March month chance July also chance. Next for Q1 T possibilities are April chance. Next one is for June also chance. Yes, leave it. Now take questions. Question number 5. Who among the following sits to the immediate left of S? Immediate left of S. S facing inside. Immediate left of S is what? R. Question number 5. Option C. Question number 6. Who among the following reaches in March month? March month who is reaching here? M or O? M or O? Then answer is what? M or O means answer is what? Cannot be determined. Question number 6. Option E. Question number 7. The person sitting second right of T. Second right of T facing inside. First right, second right of T is what? Here, Q. So, friends, the person sitting second right of T reaches in the month if T reaches in June. So, friends, again, second right of T is what? Q. So, Q reaches in which month? If T is June. For T is June. For Q and T possibilities are April and June. If T is June, then Q is what? April. Q is what? April. Question number 7. Answer is option B. Question number 8. Who sits second left of M? Second left of M. M facing in outside. First left, second left is what? P. August. So answer is what? August. So question number 8. Option D. Question number 9. Who sits opposite to Q? Opposite to Q, who is there here? R. So answer is what? Question number 9. Option B. Question number 10. Friends, check here. Question number 10 they given is what? Which of the following will be the next term of the given series? For this one, simple logic is what? First letter one sequence, second letter second sequence, third letter third sequence. F, I, L, O, question mark. F and I logic is what? Plus 3. I and L plus 3. L and O plus 3. O plus 3 is what? 18. 18 means what? R. 5 here they given 8. That means plus 3. Next one is what? 8. 12 means what? This one is what? Plus 4. Next one is what? Plus 5. Next one is what? Plus 6. 17 plus 6 is what? 23. R23. How many options we are having? R23. We are having two options. Then go for last letter also. Rn. R is what? Here 18. N is what? Here 14. That means here minus 4. N and J minus 4. J and F minus 4. F minus 4 is what? 6 minus 4 is what? 2. 2 means what? B. Answer is what? R23. B. Option C. Question number 11. If in the number 7825, friends, check it. Take number 7825 25 63 49 825. All the even numbers are all even number digits are increased by 1. Even means what? Plus 1. Odd numbers are decreased by 1. Odd means what? Minus 1. Then how many digits are there such that they are greater than 3 but less than 8? Now friends, check it. Odd means minus 1. That means one is what? 6. Next, even means what? Plus 1. 9. Next, 3. Next, 4. 7. Next, 2. Next, 5. Next, 8. Next, 9. Next one is what? 3. Next one is what? 4. Now, more than 3 but less than 8. More than 3 but less than 8. 6. So, here, more than 3, less than 8. Next, more than 3 they given. That means 3 no chance. That means 4. Next, 7. Next, more than 3. 5. Next one is what? 8 and no chance. Next one is what? Here 4. Why means friends here? More than 3 means what? 4 minimum. Next, less than 8 means what? Here 7. That means how many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. That means answer is what? Option B. Question number 11. Option B. Question number 12 to 14. Here the again question is from syllogism. Take here 12th one. Only few clicks are flash. And check here. Click. Some click is a flash. Some click is a flash. At the same time, some part of click is not flash. Next one. Some flash are light. Some flash is a light. Some flash is a light. Next. All clicks are screen. Friends again. Click. This entire click is a screen. Entire click is a here screen. Yes, leave it. Take first conclusion. All lights being screen is a possibility. All light being screen is a possibility. Light and screen relation is what? Can't say. Then possibility is true. Second one. Some screens are flash. Some part of screen is mixed with here. Flash. Yes. Second one is true. Then answer is what? Both are true. So question number 12 answer is what? Option C. Both 1 and 2 follows. Question number 13. Friends here. All flowers are cap. Friends check here. Flower. Take here. Flower. These all flower are cap. All flower are cap. Next. All handles are flowers. Then friends check here. Take the funny spot. Handle. Funny spot here. Handle. All handles are flowers. Next. All lines are cap. Friends check here. Line. This all lines are cap. Take first conclusion. Some hands are. Next one, see, some hands are not cap. See, we know all handle are cap. All handle are cap. Then some hands are not handle, handed. All hand are cap. But here they mention some hands are not cap. First one is wrong. Next one, no line is a hand. This one also wrong. Friends, here, given all statements are positive means no chance for negative. Then simple answer is what? Both are wrong. Answer is what? Both are wrong. So neither one nor two. Question number 13, option D. Question number 14. Only few arms are RBs. Yes, friends, again. Take here arms. Next, some arms are here RBs. At the same time, some part of army is not RBs. Next, some armors are RBs. Yes, friends, again. Some armors are RBs. Next, no army is a armors. Yes, friends, again. No army is a armor. Yes, leave it. Conclusion number 1. All RBs can never be means what? Some not. That means some RBs are not arms. Some RBs are not arm. Yes. Here no armors is a arms. That means in armors RBC is some part. Some part of RBC is not arms. Yes. First one is true. Second one. Here can never be means what? Some not and whatever they mention all whatever take some not. Next one. Some armors are definitely not RBs. Some armors are definitely not RBs. We know some armor is RBs. Remaining armors on RBs, we can't say. Then second one is what? Can't say. Then answer is what? Only one follows. Question number 14, option B. Question number 15 to 18. So, 8 friends, MNO, PQ, RS and T were born on different dates of the same year. A person was born on either 12th or 13th of the month among June, July, August, September. Yes, friends, take here given months. So, June month, here we are having 12 and 13. Next, July month also, here we are having 12 and 13. Next, August month also, here we are having 12 and 13. Next one is what? September month also, here we are having 12 and 13. Yes. Take like this and why means if 2 or 3 possibilities means it is easy to take. It is easy to take. Yes. Now, often check here. Now this one is what? June month. This one is what? July. Now this one is what? August. Now this one is what? September. Leave it. Now often check here. They give next point is what? See whether they are talking about any month of the day, number of days in the month. No, then leave it. If it is required, we will take and leave it. Next one. 3 persons were born between T and N. Between T and N, here we are having 3 members. Don't know. R was born immediately before T. Don't know. M and T were born in the same number date. M and T born in the same number date. Leave it. More than 2 persons were born between M and P. Next. 1 person was born between Q and S. N was born in July. Take this point. N was born in July. That means July 12 chance or July 13 also chance. N was born in July means July 12 or July 13. But if you know about N means first point is what? 3 persons were born between T and N. Between T and N, 3 members. N 1, 2, 3 no chance. N 1, 2, 3 different is what? Here T. N 1, 2, 3 different is what? Here T. Between N and T, here we are having 3 persons. We are having 3 members. Yes. R was born immediately before T. Now R was born immediately before T. Here also R was born immediately before T. R was born immediately before T. Next one. Friends, M and T were born in the same number date. Leave. More than 2 persons were born between M and P. We don't know. 1 person was born between Q and S. Next. P and S were born in the same month. S was not born in June. P and S both are born in the same month. Both are born in the same month. S was not born in June. That means P also not born in June. So P and S both are born in the same month but not in June. So P and S here, June month, no chance. In this possibility, I will take this possibility. P and S, June month, no chance. Then P and S were born in same month, then only possibility is what? August. Then P R S, otherwise SRP. Both are born in the same month. Now in this case, P and S were born in the same month but not in June. P and S, June, no chance. Next, same month means here, July, no chance for P and S. August, no chance for P and S. Next year, no chance. That means this possibility is wrong. This one is wrong. Next. If you know about S means, they give one clue point is what? 1 person was born between S and Q. S and Q. Friend, between S and Q here we are having 1 member. If I take a S, 1 member Q no chance. Yes, 1 member Q also no chance. That means this one is fixed for P. This one is fixed for S. Now this one is S means 1 member Q no chance. Yes, 1 member. This one is what? Q possibility. Next. They given is what? M and T were born in the same number date. So T was born in 13. Then M also born in 13. This is the possibility for M. This is the possibility for M. Now remaining is what? M. Next N. Next remaining is what? O. Remaining is what? O. This is the given entire data. Take like this, it will become too easy. Take your question number 15. S was born in August 12th. S was born in August 12th. 12th August. Question number 15. Option B. Question number 16. Who among the following were born in the same month? Same month. M and Q were born in the same month. M is June, Q is July. No. Q and R. Q is July, R is September. No. M and N. M is June, N is July. No. Next, R and N. R and N. Here. No. Next, only answer is what? T and R. T and R both are born in the same month, September month. So question number 16, option E. Question number 17. How many persons were born after P? After P, how many persons were born? 2 members, R and T. So question number 17, option D. Question number 18. 4 of the following 5 were in a certain group. Which of the following is that does not belongs to that group? So out of given 5, 4 is same, 1 is different. Which one is the different? O and N were born in the same number date. O and N. O and N were born in the same number date. This one is what? Wrong. Next. P and T were born on the different number date. P and T. P and T were born in the different number date. Friends, okay. P and T were born in the different number date. Here, P and T both are born in the same date. This one also wrong. Next, four persons were born between M and R. Between M and R, four members born. M and R, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is correct. This one is correct. Next, P was born immediately before S. P was born immediately after A. This one also wrong. S was born in July. S was born in August. This one also wrong. Out of given 5, 4 is same, 1 is different. These 4 statements are wrong, but C is correct. Then which one is the different? Option C. Y means remaining all are wrong, but C is the correct. Question number 18, option C. Friends, take here. Question number 19 to 23. See, 8 students JK, LMN, PR, and Z are sitting in a line. Some of them is facing north and some of them is facing south. They all are like different dry fruits. Almond, next areca, apricot, cashew, next coconut, janti, raisin, next and anise. Next, R said start right of P. R said start right of P. Leave it. Next one. R is not near to J. N sits fifth to the right of R. People facing north do not like janti, cashew, and or apricot. Yes, that means friends, okay. The second clue point is what? People are facing north do not like here janti. Next one is what? Here cashew nuts. Next one is what? Apricot. Next one is what? Here apricot. Yes, people facing north, these 3 does not like. That means these 3 are compulsory facing south. These 3 are facing south. Leave it. Next one. Z like here and C. Next one is one. J and M sitting at the extreme end facing north. Both does not like raisin or areca. Yes, friends, check here. J and M sitting at the extreme end. Check here. Totally here we are having how many members? Totally here we are having 8 members. Take here. J and D at extreme end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 members. J and S extreme end. JM both are facing north. JM otherwise MJ. Otherwise MJ. One more possibility. Take here. JM otherwise here MJ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the different spot here. JM otherwise here MJ. So J and M are sitting at the extreme end. J and M are sitting at the extreme end. Next, and facing north, both does not like raisin or areca. Yes, friends, check here. J and M does not like here. See, the given is what here. J and M does not like here raisin. Yes. Next one is what here areca. Yes, leave it. Next one. Go for next point. See here. There are as many people sitting between N and Z as to the right of L. Leave it. Next one. N does not like cashew or raisin or almond and facing the direction opposite to the top. Z. Next. K faces south. Both the immediate neighbors of who like Jante facing north. J is 5 places away from L. J is 5 placing away from L. Next. N likes apricot. Only 3 persons are facing. Only 3 persons are facing south and only 3 persons are facing south. Yes. Next. Friends, here we know about only J and M. For J and M, any connecting point, friends, check here. N sets fifth right of R. Friends, check here. N is fifth right of R and N is fifth right of R means for N and R. These are only possibilities. If I take here means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N and R, these two are the only possibilities. These two are the only possibilities. So friends, here, but the next one is what? See here, N is fifth right of R, but R is not neighbor of J. R is not neighbor of J means for R here, no chance. This one is the possibility for R. Now R is, friends, here, N is fifth right of, N is fifth to the right of R. Then R facing south, first right, second right, third right, fourth right, fifth right is what? N. Next, in this case, N is fifth right of R means, but R is not neighbor of J. This is the possibility for R facing north. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is what? Here, 5. N. Next one. Next one is what? Friends, here. R sets star right of P. R is star right of P. For R 1, 2, 3. P facing north. R is star right of P. In this case, R is star right of P. Then P is facing south. First right, second right, third right. R is sitting star right of P. R is sitting star right of P. Yes, leave it. Next, any other clue points? The next point is what? J is 5 places away from L. J is 5 places away from L. J is 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is what? Here, J. Sorry, J already completed. J is 5 places away from L. J is 5 places away from L. Here also J is 5 places away from L. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is what? Here, L. J is 5 places away from L. 5 places away from L. Maybe left or maybe right. Next, take here condition is what? Friend, check here. The number of people sitting between N and Z. See here. Then there are as many persons sitting between N and Z. As many persons sitting between N and Z. As to the right of L. As to the right of L. So friends, here suppose right of L. If I take L is south. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right of L 5. N and Z 5 members. Is there any chance to take? No. Suppose if I take L is north. Right of L 2 members. Right of L 2 members. N and Z also 2 members. Yes, possibility. Next one. In this case. So friends, here number of persons sitting between N and Z is same as right of L. If I take L is facing north. Right of L 5 members. N and Z 5 members. No chance. Then take L is facing south. Right of L 2 members. N and Z also here we are having 2 members. N and Z also here we are having 2 members. Yes. Next point is what? Friends, here. Next one more point is what? The given is what? K faces south. Now remaining possibility for K is what? This one is what? Here K. K is facing south. Next here K facing south means the possibility for here K. K is facing south. K is facing south. Next one. Friends, here N likes apricot. N likes apricot. Friends, here N likes here apricot. So here also N likes here apricot. N likes here apricot. Friends, here apricot is facing south and apricot is facing south. See here they given is what? Friend, they given one clue point and they given one clue point is what? See here people facing north do not like jante, cashew or apricot. That means apricot persons are not facing north. Then apricot is facing south. Yes. Now N is facing south. N is facing here south. Now here also N is facing south. Now our requirement is what? Only 3 persons are facing south. In this case, check once. 1, 2, 3, 4 members are facing south. Then is possibility. No chance. In this case, 1, 2, 3 members are facing south. That means remaining all are facing north. Remaining all are facing north. Yes. Next, leave it. Next, the again clue point is what? See here. Both the immediate neighbors are the one who like Jante faces north. Immediate neighbors of Jante is facing north. But Jante is compulsory facing south. Why means apricot, Jante, cashew. These 3 are not north facing person. That means these 3 are liked by south facing persons. But both the immediate neighbors are the one who like Jante facing north. So friends, check here. Here Jante is facing south and here no chance. Jante if I take here means both are facing north. No chance. Then this one is spot. Here Jante one is spot. Here Jante. Both the immediate neighbors of Jante is facing north. Both immediate neighbors of Jante is facing north. Now facing south here apricot completed, Jante completed. Remaining is what? Cashew. So here K is facing south means here K likes here cashew. Yes. Next one. So next one is what? J and M does not like raisin and areca. So J and M raisin and areca no chance. That means next. Next for they given Z they given something and see here Z likes here anise. F and check it. Anise or anise. See here Z like here anise. Next. Next, J and M does not like raisin and areca means then raisin and areca possibilities are raisin and areca possibilities are for here P and L. Raisin and areca possibilities are for P and L. Next remaining is what? Almond. Next remaining is what? Almond and coconut. Almond and coconut there is no information. Otherwise, N does not like cashew or raisin or almond and facing opposite direction that of Z. Now N is facing opposite direction of Z. Yes. Now that means remain 2 are here coconut and almond. That means for J and M possibilities are here coconut and almond. Yes, friends, check it. For J and M possibilities are coconut or almond. These 2 are the possibilities for here J and M. These 2 are the possibilities for J and M. Next for raisin areca possibilities are P and L. Remaining all are completed. So J and M completed, P and L completed, remaining all here we are having they given. Now take your question. See here. Question number 19. Question number 19. Who sits far left of Z? Who sits far left of Z? For Z, first left, second left, left is what? N. So answer is what? N. Otherwise, one who likes apricot. So answer is what? Option D. Question number 19. Option D. Question number 20. L likes which dry fruit? L like which dry fruit? Raisin or areca? So raisin or areca? So then simple answer is what? Cannot be determined. So question number 20 answer is what? Option E. Can't say. Question number 21. Find the odd one. Now the one who like cashew. Friends, here cashew is facing here south. Next, N also facing south. The one who likes Jante also facing south. J, now J is facing north. Then which of the following is odd one out means answer is what? Option D. Why means remaining three are facing south. Now J is facing here north. So J is the different one. Question number 21. Option D. Question number 22. How many persons are there to the right of K? Right of K. How many persons here? Two members. Question number 22. Answer is option D. Question number 23. Who likes cashew? Here who likes here cashew nuts here? K. Question number 23. Answer is what? Option D. Question number 23. Answer is what? Option D. Who likes here cashew means what? Cashew nuts here. D. K. Option D. Question number 24 to 27. Friends, here again question is from coding and decoding. Directly take the question. What is the code for good in the code language? Yes, friends, check here. The given is what? What is the code for good in the code language? So friends, check here. Suppose check once good is present in which line? See here. Here we are having good. Here also we are having good. Next, last line also here we are having good. That means first line, second line, last line, common information is good. Then first line, second line, last line, common code. Friends, okay, here we are having EW, here also EW, here also we are having EW. Yes. Any other codes are same? RI, not there. FM, not there. Next, FM here and here there, but in this line not there. That means simple answer is what? Here, EW. So question number 24. Question number 24. What is the code for good means? Answer is what? EW. So answer is what? Option B. Question number 25. What may be the possible code for Buddhi's wife in the given code language? Yes, friends, check here. First take Buddhi's, next one is what? Wife. Friends, check once Buddhi's is present in which lines? Here we are having Buddhi's, here also we are having Buddhi's. Now common code. Now friends, check here. Second line, fourth line common code. Second line, fourth line common code is what? IB, not there. EW, here EW is there here also. That means no chance for EW. Next, OP. Friends, here we are having OP, here also we are having OP. That means what the code for Buddhist means? Here code is what? Here OP. Next, wife, next one is what? Wife. Friends, one check wife is present in which line? See, wife is present in which line? First line wife is not there, second line not there, third line not there, fourth line also not there. That means wife code is what? New code. Wife code is what? New code. Now friends, check here. In our code compulsory OP should be present. Along with OP, one new code should be present. Now friends, check here. OP JX. One check here whether JX is present or not. See here, JX present or not there? Not there. That means for this one there is a chance. This one there is a chance. Yes. Here the mention is what? Maybe. Maybe means what? There is a chance. So Buddhist code is what? OP. Wife is what? Not there. Wife is not there means then ZX. So if the information is not present means the code for that one is what? Except the given code. That means one new code. So answer is what? JX OP. Question number 26. In the given code language, what does the code CU stands for? What does CU stands for? Yes. Check once. CU is present in which lines? Friends, here we are having CU. Next, here also we are having CU. That means first line, third line. First line, third line, common information is what? Here we are having name. Here also we are having name. Here we are having is. Here also we are having is. Whether is present in other lines? No. That means what the code for CU means? Answer is what? Name or is. Name or is means then name or is. So is either is or name. So answer is what? Option E. Question number 26. Answer is what? Option E. Question number 27. What is the code for my in the given code language? My. Friends, check here. Here we are having my. Here also we are having my. Then first line, last line, common code. Friends, check here. RI not there. FM. Here we are having FM. Here also we are having FM. Whether FM is present in remaining lines? No. That means what the code for my means answer is what? FM. Answer is what? FM. See here, EW, here EW, but EW is present here also. That means no chance for EW as code for here my. So here my code is what? Here FM. My code is what? FM. So question number 27. Answer is what? Option B. Question number 28 to 32. Friends, here there are 14% A, B, C, D, E, F, G, P, Q, R, S, T, U, and V are sitting in two parallel rows facing each other. Leave it. 7 persons are sitting in each row. Row number 1 is facing south and row number 2 is facing north direction. Yes. So friends, totally here we are having 14 members. Totally here we are having 14 members are sitting in two rows. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So each row here we are having 7 members. Here we are having 7 members. Those one who are sitting at row number 1 are facing south. Row number 2 is facing north. Row number 2 is facing north. Yes, leave it. Now, friends, check here. Next point. Often see here, take here. We don't know which one is facing which direction. And here they mention 14 members. They are sitting in two parallel lines, but who is facing which direction? We don't know. Leave it now. 7. See here, the given is what? S seated one of the corner and diagonal opposite to Q, but we don't know whether S is facing north or south. Leave it. One person sits between C and Q. Between C and Q, we are having one person. The one who sits opposite to you sits immediate left of R. Sits immediate left of R. Leave. F and T are adjacent to each other. F and T are see. The given is one here. F and T both are adjacent. Both are adjacent. See. F and T both are adjacent. F and T both are adjacent to each other and both are facing south. Now F and T both are facing south. Both are facing south. This is the clue point. Go for next one. See. V sits opposite to D and D sits tall left of B. D is tall left of B. Leave it. T sits two places away from E, who is not adjacent to F. E is not adjacent to F. Only three persons are sitting between A and C, who is opposite to T. Who is means what? Here, C. C is opposite to T. Yes, this is the clue point. Now, friends, F and T both are facing here, south. Now T is opposed to C. T is opposed to C. If T is opposed to C means then C is compulsory facing north. C is compulsory facing north. Why means T F and T both are adjacent, both are facing south. C is opposed to T means then C is facing north. C is facing north. If C is facing north, means the given is what? One person sits between C and Q. That means C and Q both are facing here north. C and Q both are facing north. Next, three persons sit between A and C. That means A also facing north. A also facing north. Now, A is sitting at one of the end. A is facing north. A is sitting at one of the end. Friends, how I am taking one check here. F and T both are facing south. T is opposed to C. Then C is facing north. Between Q and C, one person means Q also facing north. If you know about C means three persons sit between A and C means what? C is facing north means then A also compulsory facing north. But A is at one of the end. A is at one of the end. Now, friends, check here. S at one of the corner and diagonal opposite to Q. Now Q is facing north. Why means one person is between C and Q. That means C and Q both are in the same row. C is north means then Q also north. S is sitting at one of the corner. Now S is facing south. S is sitting at one of the corner diagonally opposite to Q. Diagonal opposite to Q. Between Q and C, one person. See, between C and A, three members. Only three persons are sitting between A and C. Now, this one is part here, A. This one is part A. So, this one is possibility. Now, if I take S, this corner also chance, then take here one more possibility. See here. So, friends, total here we are having 14 members are sitting in two parallel lines, are sitting in here, two parallel lines. Next, friends, check here. Next one. Suppose if I take the funny spot, yes me. Now the funny spot here Q. Between Q and C, 1%. Between A and C, here we are having three members. Here we are having three members. Now T faces C. See, they make funny spot. T is opposed to C. See here. C who sits opposed to T. That means here C is opposed to T. Here also C is opposed to T. C is opposed to T. Yes. Next one. When T and F are adjacent. T and F are adjacent means now F here chance, F here also chance, F here also chance. That means again here also there is chance to get two possibilities. Yes, leave it. Next, go for next point. Check here. UV is not adjacent to B and F. Leave. D faces same direction as yes. D is facing same direction as yes. S is facing south. Then D also facing south. D also facing south. Yes, D also facing south. So friends, if D is facing south means the given one is what? D is V sits opposed to D. V sits opposed to D. D is facing south means then V is facing north. V is facing north. Now D sits tall left of B. Now D is tall left of B. 1, 2, 3. That means D is tall left of B. Yes. Now take this one. Friends, again D is tall left of B. D is tall left of B. If I take here B, first left, second left, tall left, here no chance. If I take here B means now first left, second left, tall left is what? D. D sits opposed to V. D sits opposed to V. Now T and F both are adjacent. See here. T and F both are adjacent. T and F both are adjacent. Yes. First I will take this possibility. After I will come this one. T and F both are adjacent. Now T sits two places away from E. See here. T sits two places away from E. Next, T, two places away from E, no chance. This one is what? Here, E. This one is what? Here, E. Next. Friend, next point is what? Friend, check here. UV is not adjacent to B. UV is not adjacent to B and F. Next, for U, they given one more point is what? The one who sits opposite to U. The one who sits opposite to U sits immediate left of R. Sits immediate left of R. Suppose for U here no chance. Why means UV is not neighbor of B. UV is not neighbor of B. Suppose if I will take here U, the one who sits opposite to U is immediate left of R, no chance. Suppose if I will take here U, if I will take here U, now this one is what? Here R, this one is what? R. Now friends check here, the one who sits opposite to U, the one who sits opposite to U is immediate left of R, is immediate left of R. Now this one is possibility, yes. The one who sits opposite to U is immediate left of R. Next one is friends check here, UV is not adjacent to B and F completed. Next one, see here. P is not adjacent to A. P is not adjacent to A means then for P here no chance. This is the possibility for P. Now this is the remaining. This is the remaining. Yes. So for this one here we are able to get the answer. Now go for this one. Check here. This one is what? D is far left of B. Now D is facing B, but D is facing south. Now suppose if I take here B, first left, second left, far left is what? D facing B. These are the possibilities I will check on. So B, first left, second left, third left, this one is for D. Now D is facing B. D is facing B. Now F is adjacent to T. F is adjacent to T. Now E is two places away from T. This one is what? Here. E. This one is what? Here. E. Next. Our requirement is what? The one who sits opposite to UV. The one who sits opposite to UV is immediate left of R. Suppose if I take here U, U opposite this one, immediate left of R, no chance. Suppose if I take here U opposite this one, immediate left of R, no chance. Next, if I take here U, immediate left of R, no chance. That means that possibility will not come. Suppose. Then, suppose see here, if I take here B, first left, second left, third left is for D. Now D is facing B. D is facing B. This is the only possibility. Other possibility means B, 1, 2, D, no chance. This is the last possibility. Now check it. So D is far left of B. Now T and F both are adjacent. Both are adjacent. Next, T and E. E is two places away from T. Next. Now the given is what? The one who sits opposite to UV is immediate left of R. Suppose UVA opposite to UV is immediate left of R. No chance. Suppose UVA opposite to UV is immediate left. No chance. Opposite to UV is immediate left. No chance. That means this arrangement is wrong. That means this is the only possibility. This is the only possibility. Yes. Now take the question. Question number 28. Question number 28. Find the odd one. Find the odd one. Now now remaining person is what? Take a remaining person. A completed, B completed, C. Next D, E, F. Next remaining is what? G. Remaining is what? G. Yes, this one is what? G. This one is G. Now find the odd one out. Now D is facing here south. V is facing north. R is facing D is facing C. Option number D facing south. Next V facing is what? North. V is north. R facing is what? South. U facing is what? North. E facing is what? Here south. That means north south they given combination to me. Check extreme. D is not at extreme. V is not at extreme. R is not at extreme. UV is not at extreme, but E is at extreme. Then answer is what? Option E. Why means remaining all are not at extreme end, but E is at extreme end. Question number 29. What is the position of the one who sits opposite to G with respect to T? With respect to D. What is the position of the one who sits opposite to G? Opposite to G means what? This one. This person position is with respect to D. With respect to D is what? First right, second right, third right, fourth right. Answer is what? Fourth right. So answer is what? Option A. Question number 29. Option A. Question number 30. Who sits far left of the one who is opposed to B? Who sits far left of the one who is opposed to B and the one who is opposed to B? Opposed to B is what? This person. For this person, far left is what? 1, 2, 3. No, there is no one. So answer is what? No one sit. Answer is what? No one sit. Question number 30. Option E. Question number 31. In which of the following is our first person is sits immediate right of second person? Take here. F is immediate right of T. F is immediate right of T. Yes. Don't go with this one. Why they given 1 and 2 like that they given. Next, go for next one. B is immediate right of C. B is immediate right of C. Yes. UV is immediate right of P. UV is immediate right of P. No. UV is immediate left of P. For this one, no. UV is immediate right of G. UV is immediate right of G. Yes. Then 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, and 4 means answer is what? See here. 1, 2, and 4 means answer is what? Option D. 1, 2, and 4. Question number 32. Who sits third right of P? Third right of P. P. First right, second and third right of P is what? Q. So answer is what? Option C. Question number 32. Option C. Question number 33. How many meaningful English words can be formed with the letter CA? The given one is what? CA, H, W, T, using each letter only once. So which one we are able to frame? CA, H, W, T. Watch. W, A, T, C, H. Yes, watch. Yes. W, A. Next, T, C, H. Next, is there any other words? No, that means only one word. So answer is what? Option A. Question number 33. Option A. These models are completely depends upon your English. They can question number 34 to 36. Here they can questions are from inequalities. Now take your given information. Dollar and front check here. Take here. The given is what? Dollar. The given is what? Dollar. P dollar Q means what? P is not smaller. Not smaller means possibility is what? Greater than or equal to. P at the rate Q means what? P at the rate Q means what? P is neither smaller nor equal. No chance for smaller, no chance for equal. That means here greater than. Next one. P hash Q. P hash Q means what? P is neither greater nor equal. No chance for greater than, no chance for equal. That means here less than. Next one. P and Q means what? P is neither greater nor smaller. That means possibility is what? Equal to. P star Q means what? P is not greater than. Not greater than means possibility is what? Less than or equal to. Yes. These are the given inequality symbols. Now take your given statement. Fun check here. So friends here, A dollar M and A dollar M. A dollar means what? Fun check here. A is greater than or equal to M. Now for A and M, connecting check once. A and M, A and L. A dollar L means what? A is greater than or equal to L. A is greater than or equal to L. That means here L is less than or equal to A. L is less than or equal to A. Next, P at the rate L. P at the rate means what? P is greater than L. P is greater than L. Next, K hash P. K hash P means what? K is less than P. Yes, this is the given statement. Take first conclusion. Here hash means what? Less than. At the rate means what? Front check at the rate. Greater than. Star means what? Less than or equal to. Hash means what? Less than. K and L. K less than L. K and L less is what? Both are opposite. Can't say. First one is wrong. Now A greater than P. A greater than P. A and P less is what? Both are opposite. We can't say. Second one is wrong. Third one. L and A. L less than or equal to A. Yes. Third one is correct. Third one is correct. L less than or equal to A. Next fourth one. M less than P. M less than P. Friends check here. M and P less is what? Greater than less than or equal to. Greater than or equal to. Opposite. Can't say. That means answer is what? Only third one. Only third one means answer is what? Option D. Question number 34. Option D. Take here. Next statement. W star N. Next K star V. Y at the rate V. W at the rate K. First take this one. W at the rate K. W at the rate K means what? W is greater than K. W is greater than K. Next one. W star N means what? Friends check it. W star N. Star means what? Less than or equal to. So W is less than or equal to N. Then N is greater than or equal to W. N is greater than or equal to W. Yes, leave it. Next one. K star V. K star V. K star V means what? K is less than or equal to V. K is less than or equal to V. Y at the rate V. What the rate means what? Y is greater than V. Then V less than Y. V less than Y. Take first conclusion here. Y at the rate. At the rate means what? Here. Greater than. At the rate means what? Greater than. Next one check here. Next one. Dollar means what? One check here. Dollar means what? Here. Greater than or equal to. Next one. At the rate means what? Greater than. Here at the rate means what? Greater than. Now Y and K. Y and K less means what? Less than or equal to less than. Less than. K less than. Y. Then Y greater than K. First one is true. Second one. W and N. W and N. See N greater than or equal to W. Then W is less than or equal to N. But W greater than or equal to N me. This one is wrong. Third one. W greater than Y. W greater than Y. Both are opposite. Can't say. Wrong. Next, W greater than V. Now, both are opposite. Can't say. Wrong. Then answer is what? Only one. Only one means answer is what? Option B. Question number 35. Option B. Question number 36. Take a given statement. T star y. Star means what? Less than or equal to. So T less than or equal to y. Now y common. Y is what here? Y dollar. Yes. That means y is greater than or equal to yes. Next one is what? Here yes. S has m. S is less than m. S is less than m. M at the rate. At the rate means what? M is greater than k. Next one. Here hash means what? Here less than. Hash means what? Less than. At the rate means what? Greater than. Hash means less than. At the rate means what? Greater than. Now check it. K and S. K and S list is what? Less than, greater than, opposite. Can't say. First one is wrong. Second one. Y and M. Y and M both are opposite. Can't say. Third one. T and M. T and M list is what? Here opposite. Can't say. Next one. Y and K. Y and K is what? Opposite. Can't say. Then answer is what? None is true. Question number 36. Option A. Friends, here question number 37 to 40. They given here. Question is from alphanumeric series. Take here. Question first one. If 1 is added to even digit, yes. If it is a even digit, plus 1. Next, 1 is subtracted from odd digit. If it is a odd digit, means what? Here, minus 1. Then what is the sum of third digit of third highest number and second digit of second lowest number? Yes. Suppose first to do this one. Odd means what? Minus 1. Even means what? Plus 1. Odd minus 1. Even means what? Plus 1. Yes. Next one. Next one is what? Even. Next, even. Next, 6. Next one is 3. Next, 8, 4. Next, 2. Next, 6. Next one, 2, 9, 0, 4. Next, 8, 6, 0, 5. Yes. Now, this is the given one. Even plus 1, odd minus 1 means this is the given one. Now, check here. So, friends, what is the sum of third digit of third highest number? First, take first highest number. First highest number is what? 9763. Second highest number is what? 8604. Third highest number is what? 8426. So, friends, here, what is the sum of third digit of third highest number? Third digit is what? Here, 2 plus. Next, second digit of second lowest number. Second digit of second lowest number. First lowest number is what? 2503. Second lowest number is what? 29004. Second digit of second lowest number. Here, 9. So, 2 plus 9 is what? 11. So, question number 37. Answer is what? Option C. Question number 38. If second and third digits are interchanged, first and fourth digits are interchanged in each number, then what will be the difference between second digit of highest number and the fourth digit of second lowest number? Yes. Now, second and third digits are interchanged. That means second and third. Second and third digits are interchanged. 1 and 4. First take 1 and 4 interchange. 2, 3. Now, these two are interchanged. 4, 1. That means 1, 4. Next one. 2, 8. 7, 6. 7, 9. 3, 5. Next. 5, 3. 1, 8. 8, 1 means what? 1, 8. First and fourth, second and third interchange. Then 4, 9, 1, 7. Yes. Question is what? What will be the difference between second digit of highest number? Highest number is what? 7359. Second digit is what? 3. Next. So friends, again, second digit of highest number and fourth digit of second lowest number. First lowest number is what? 2143. 2143. Second lowest number is what? 2768. Fourth digit of second lowest number is what? Here, 8. So this one is what? 8. This one is what? Here, 3. Now our requirement is what? Difference. Our requirement is what? Difference. 8 minus 3 is what? 5. So question number 38. Option B. Next question number 39. If 2 is added to each odd number, now they're talking about entire number and they're talking about entire number. So if it is an odd number, if it is a odd number, then plus 2. If it is a even number, if it is a even number, then minus 2. Yes, then 3, 4, 1, 2. Ending is what? Even. That means one is what? Even. Even means what? Minus 2. That means here 3, 4, 1, 0. Next, this one also even. Then 8, 6, 7, 0. Next, this one is odd. Odd means what? Plus 2. Then 9, 5, 3, 9. Yes. Next one. This one is also odd. 3, 8, 1, 7. Next. This one is even means what? Minus 2. 9, 7, 1, 2. Yes. If it is a even number, minus 2. Odd number, plus 2. They are not talking about digits and they are talking about numbers. Next. Now leave it. Then what is the product of fourth digit of highest number? Highest number is what? From check it. Highest number is what? Here 9712. Fourth digit is what? 2. So fourth digit of highest number and second digit of second lowest number. Second digit of second lowest number. First lowest number is what? 8410. Second lowest number is what? 3817. Second digit is what? 8. Now 2 into 8 is what? 16. Question number 39. Answer is what? Option D. Here they're talking about numbers, not digits. And question number 40. If all the numbers are arranged in the descending order, now arrange all the numbers in the descending order. Check it. Highest number is what? 9714. Next 9537. 8672. Next 3815. 3412. Next. Then 1 is added to each number. Then what is the sum? 1 is added. That means 9715 9538 8673 3816 3413. Next. Then what is the sum of fourth digit of second number from left hand? From left hand second number is what? Here 9583 9538. Then fourth digit is what? 8. Next. And third digit of second number from right hand. From right hand second number is what? 3816. Third digit is what? 1. Now 8 plus 1 is what? 9. So question number 40 answer is option B